What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am returning with another awesome recipe for you all to enjoy. We are going to be making some sweet chili salmon bites that are out of this world, so delicious, and I cannot wait for you guys to try it. Let's not waste any time. We got to go ahead and get right on into that recipe. So let's go. So we are going to begin with about a 2-pound salmon fillet. And what you're gonna do is just simply slice it into bite-sized pieces. Obviously, mine are a little bit bigger than bite-sized, but you get the point. Once you have that taken care of, we are gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil onto these bad boys. We're gonna give it a nice, luxurious massage as we always do. And you know, we gotta season it up proper. So on the screen, I have listed everything you need to do so. And of course, it will be listed in the description box as always. So go ham, go crazy, be very generous, and make sure your salmon is well coated up in this goodness right here. Once you have that taken care of, you're gonna go ahead and get a pan nice and hot. I recommend using a non-stick pan if you have one handy. You want to crank that heat up to about a medium high, drizzle a little bit of olive oil into the pan, and you're gonna get these bad boys in there and get them sizzling, baby. So you want to cook these for about 3.5 to 4 minutes per side. Definitely want to keep an eye on them, check on it, making sure it does not burn. Once you have a nice beautiful crust on that first side, you want to then give it a flip, and you're going to cook it for the same amount of time on the other side. And once you have that taken care of and both sides are looking absolutely perfect, you are then going to remove them from the heat as we work on that delicious sauce, baby. So once you have that salmon removed, you want to lower your heat to about a medium. We're going to toss in a little bit of minced garlic. You want to let that go, mix it up, get that garlic frying, let that aroma hit that air. And once you have that taken care of, we're going to toss in the remainder of the ingredients for this delicious sauce. And like I said before, everything's on the screen, everything's in the description box. So go ahead and give it a mix. If you're running a little hot, of course, turn the heat down. You do not want to burn this sauce. Don't be scared to turn it down a little bit. Maybe a medium low, depending on your stove. The temperature may vary just a little bit. But overall, you want to get everything in there, give it a nice mix. And once you have everything there, you want to carefully get everything back into this pan. This salmon definitely wants to break on you. Salmon is very delicate. Be careful when getting it back in there so it does not break apart on you. And once we have it in the pan, we're going to use a spoon to get that delicious sauce over the top. You do not want to be rough and break your salmon. So grab a spoon and just pour it over the top of your salmon. You're going to see me doing it on the screen just like so, making sure they are well coated up. And once our salmon is looking oh so beautiful in that sauce, we're gonna garnish it with a little bit of green onion, aka scallions. You're gonna go ahead and just put that over the top, and you are pretty much ready to bust down. you know I gotta hit you with that amazing, beautiful B-roll. So that is what we are about to do. Sit back, kick your feet up, and enjoy the aesthetics right here, because this is looking oh so beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking good, smelling good, and I cannot wait to dig into this right here, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Super flaky, super sauced up. Let go. Cheers, everybody. This is delicious. Wow. This is so amazing. This recipe right here is everything, a 10 out of 10. You gotta give this one a try. The salmon is perfectly cooked. The sauce complements this so well. Not too spicy, not too sweet, just right. You gotta give this one a try for sure. Hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you're new to the channel, of course, hit that subscribe button, rock that notification button so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave me a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next video. Deuces, I'm out.